As we reflect on what we've achieved together this year, it has been a period of accelerated evolution, bringing us closer to achieving our Lynn 2025 plan. We created a home for mind, body, and spirit at the heart of our campus. The Snyder Center for Health and Wellness was made possible by longtime friends and supporters who want to see our students flourish and achieve their personal goals. We announced plans to expand our on-campus housing with new residence halls designed to create a close-knit neighborhood and provide amenities valued by our students. We also welcomed and rewarded the next generation of changemakers, appointing and promoting talented leaders to key positions across campus. This edition of the Lynn Magazine recognizes these achievements and so many more. The women's golf team brought home another Sunshine State Conference tournament trophy, our 47th conference title. Aviation students are reaching great heights with an expanded fleet, a new dean, and a partnership with Spirit Airlines. STEM programs in the College of Communication and Design are preparing students for a new technological era in creative fields. And Lynn alumni and students are making a statement on the runway at the Lynn Fashion Showcase. Graduates of our College of Education are leading the way in South Florida school districts and universities. And faculty are publishing research on a wide range of innovative topics, fostering a vibrant academic environment with hands-on learning for our students. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for the unwavering dedication and hard work of our faculty, staff, students, and supporters. Thank you for your remarkable contributions. Lynn University's success directly reflects your creativity, innovation, and collaborative spirit. And as we look toward the future, I have no doubt that our collective strength will propel us to even more extraordinary achievements.